Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you exactly how you can create this sticky header using the Divi theme. So without further ado, let's start building our header. Okay, so first what we're going to do, we're going to create a menu. So go to Appearance, select Menus, and let's create a new one. So hit Create a New Menu. Give the name, for example, Menu. For my case, menu tutorial, and then create menu. Okay, so now you can select the pages that you want to be appeared in your menu. So I'm just gonna go view all. I'm gonna add the home, blog, services, contact us page. Click add to menu. And then you can reorder. For example, I'm gonna place contact at the end, services at the second. And then after you finish, you can just click on Save Menu. Okay, perfect. So now let's go to the second step, which is building our header. So I'm going to go to Divi and select Theme Builder. As you see, I don't have a global header or a footer. I don't have it yet. So we're just gonna go and select Add Global Header, build one. Okay, so now we're gonna add, as you see, we have a section in blue, and we're gonna add an inner section or a row. This row will have 3 columns, so I'm gonna have like a small column, and then a wide one, and then a small. Okay, for the first one, I'm gonna insert my logo. So it's gonna be an image. I'm gonna choose the image. Okay, media library, search for your logo, for example, upload, and then in the content tab, scroll down until you find the link. So in the link, you can place the link of your homepage. So I'm just gonna hit a relative link and then hit save. In the middle, we're gonna insert the menu. So search for menu, and then you're gonna have the option to select which menu you want to be appeared. So I'm just gonna hit select the menu tutorial, the one that we created, and wait, it's loading. Good. I want it to be centered, so I'm gonna go to design, layout, and in style, select and hit centered. Now we have our centered. We can also give the menu black color, so scroll until you find menu text color, give it black. We can increase the size 17 or 16, and that's good. I don't need anything else, so I'm just gonna hit save. The third part is we're gonna add a button. So you can, for example, keep it for subscribe. You can add any link here, so I'm gonna keep it empty because I still didn't develop the subscribe or a form. So you can add your custom link here, and then you can just design the button. For example, I'm gonna go to design and button, turn this on, and then you have the control over your text button size, the background color. So I'm just gonna give it, for example, a black background. So let's take this one here. For the text, I'm gonna keep it white. I don't want to have a border width, so I'm just gonna give it to 0. Maybe I'll increase the border radius so it looks more professional in my case. Okay, 20 is enough. And the font, of course, you can change the font to the one that you have in your website. So mine is Enter. You can change the font, you can change the weight, you can select light, and then after you finish, you just need to hit save. As you see, we still have a small issue, which is the menu is not aligned with the button and the logo. So basically, we need to add a small custom CSS code in the row setting. So I'm just gonna hit on the setting, go to Advanced Custom CSS, and just module, main menu, and paste this CSS, so justify content center and aligned item center. And that's it. Like you see, the menu, the logo, and the button are centered, aligned. And then after you finish, just hit save. Okay, good. So we do have some extra spacing with the section, the blue section. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna delete that. So go to section setting, design, search for spacing. So in the padding top, so you can hit like 0 here and 0 here. As you see, like it's now stick to the top, but I just want to give it some spacing, like 5 pixels at the top and 5 pixels at the bottom. Also for, I want to make sure that the background is white. So go to white, so go select white background and hit save. Good. Now, as you see, the header, our header is ready. And now, so after our header is ready, we just now need to add the sticky effect. So let's try first and test if the header is okay. So I'm gonna hit save. Okay, now close button, and don't forget to hit save changes. Okay, let's visit our home page. Okay, good. As you see, the header is looking good right now, but when I scroll down, it's not sticky. So we need to apply this sticky effect. So let's go back to Theme Builder, go to Edit, the global header. And now just go to the setting of the section, the blue one. So click on setting. Let's take this one. Okay, now let's go to advanced, scroll effect, and then you're gonna find sticky position. Change this one to stick to the top. Okay, good. And now you can just hit save. Let's save this one. Okay, perfect. Now let's just refresh the page and we see if the effect is applied. So as you see right now, I can scroll down with my sticky header. You can like advanced customize this one. For example, I'm gonna go back and add the shadow just under the sticky menu. So you can go to design and box shadow. And I'm just gonna place that here. So maybe we could just apply the box shadow when it's sticky. When it's not sticky, we can just keep it without the box shadow. So as you see, when I hover on an option, you can see the sticky effect. So I'm just gonna click on that and click on sticky. So sticky will be 18, but on desktop, like non-sticky will be 0. And also for the box spread as well. Okay, when it's on non-sticky, I'm just gonna give it 0. And when it's sticky, I'm gonna give it -6 as it was. And this one as well, I'm gonna increase the blur effect, okay, when it's sticky. And for the box shadow vertical position, so I'm gonna select the sticky. Okay, keep it 12 here, and one non-sticky, I'm just gonna give it 0, so it doesn't appear. And then hit save changes, and then save. Now we can go back to our page, refresh, and let's see how our header looks. As you see, when we scroll down, the hover or the box shadow is applied. And yeah. So that's it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment if you have any questions, and see you guys in the next video.